Electricity for non-electricians. We use a lot of electricity in our work. We use it for light and power. It's truly a lifesaver. Because poor lighting and belt-driven machines were deadly in the days before electricity entered industry. But like all good things, electricity can be deadly if used improperly. You are not electricians. And neither the company nor anyone else expects you to know how to perform electrical repairs. But there are some basic facts about electricity that you must understand to protect yourself from shock. The first thing to know: it's not the amount of electricity in a circuit that decides between life and death. It's the amount of current that flows through the vital parts of your body. For example, you can safely work around a high-voltage machine if you stay away from energized connections, if the machine is properly grounded, as ours are, and if it's protected with proper fuses. If you must touch equipment, make sure your hands are dry and your feet are on a dry surface. Otherwise, even a 110-volt household current can kill you if you make contact with wet hands, a damp floor, a water pipe, or a radiator. Here are some simple suggestions to keep you safe from electrical hazards in the plant. First, if any equipment you're using sparks, overheats, or smokes, don't try to fix it yourself. Shut it down and report it to me or to maintenance. Second, stay away from switches, fuse boxes, or other devices unless you've been trained and authorized to handle them, even if you think you understand them completely. Remember the old saying, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Third, if you're authorized to replace fuses, follow the exact instructions you were given. Even a small change can be deadly. And never bypass a fuse using a nail or piece of metal. The fuse is your best safety device in an electrical circuit. Fourth, if you need to use any electrical equipment, including portable tools or extension lights, in a wet or humid area, or where you might touch metal, especially water or heating pipes, get your supervisor's permission first. If you follow these rules and the operating instructions you've been given, we won't have any electrical shock accidents in our department. Our equipment is well designed, properly grounded, and well maintained. But no equipment is foolproof. And if we act carelessly, we can still get hurt. Remember this rule: never start any electrical job that hasn't been assigned to you, and never perform any electrical work in a way that differs from how you were trained.